Good morning. It's Tuesday and we're heading to Target, and then later we're going to the pool. Lincoln, who are you holding?
She has a baby. Aww.
Are you holding the baby? Hey guys, we just went shopping, but I forgot my camera in the car. Both times we went to the store, we went to Target and we went to ShopRite. And we're heading back and we're gonna go swimming in a little bit. I'm not sure what my brother's doing. Say hi! Say, we just finished eating dinner. And I'm running around and playing. Say, see that? You got blocks?
15 minutes.
You got blocks? Oh my goodness.
Don't wait.
That's so cool.
I got a bag in there.
What? Say bye-bye. Show them your dinosaur.
Take it.
Gonna take it.
Let's go.
What's your dinosaur's name?
Itchy. Have a dinosaur. Ah. Oh, closer. Oh, closer. Closer to the
Is it eating it?
Nope. No, I was doing it inside its mouth.
Oh. Oh man, that was hilarious.
And you want to see him too? Look,
Show the lens right there.
the wings.
Yeah,
The lens?
right there is where they see. Good job.
See the wings on it?
Yeah, show them his feet.
I already showed him.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Don't this thing, this right thing.
Yep, they can't see you. Put it in front of the lens. There you go. This is a Duplo one, right? You got it today at Target, huh?
Yeah, it's cool.
It's so cool.
Want to see him?
And his name is Etcher.
No, Ocho.
Ocho. The name changes so much. Wow.
Don't like him. Look at closer in him. Closer in him.
Show his eyes.
I don't know how to use it.
Outer his body
What?
and his
I don't know how
tail.
to do that.
And him's tail?
And him still have those.
Please spit out the,
And let's
spit out the
put
rest.
this back
Oh.
down.
More.
And let's turn it off.
Lincoln, come.
We just ran to Wawa. I need to get cash out and Will's getting a soda. Then we're gonna play some games. Hey guys, so it's a little after 10 at night and I'm packing up my suitcase. I leave in the morning to go back to Utah. I have work at 3 o'clock. And tonight was great. I got to spend the evening with my family. We played games and we went out and got ice cream. Got to really bond with baby Owen this trip, which was amazing. I got to get to know Maddie and I'm so excited she's part of our family now. She's my sister's stepdaughter, but as far as I'm concerned, and I'm pretty sure I should have said this before, she's my niece. And little Noah really broke out of his shell. He wasn't always so talkative, and saying goodbye to them was really hard. I said goodbye to my mom. My dad and I are leaving at 1:30 in the morning to go to the airport, so I'm just packing up and gonna try and get an hour or two of sleep. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the morning. Morning guys, it's
We want you to be safe.
not even 4 in the morning. I'm at the Philadelphia airport. Security wasn't open when I got here. We had to wait a little bit, but we just got through. I'm like, nothing's opened yet. So flight time is at 5:40, boarding is at 5:10, so have a little bit over an hour to kill. I'm gonna go find my gate. Hey guys, I'm in Chicago. It's freezing here in this airport, so I found a place that's way less crowded and a little bit warmer. I'm here for about 2-ish hours, so just hanging out. I'm tired. I slept most of the plane ride here, and I would love to go back to sleep, but I'm afraid I miss my flight, so I'm just trying to stay awake and get home and take a nap before work. Okay, my plane leaves in about, well, it boards in about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna head over to my gate. Hey guys, I just got home. I didn't film when I arrived in Salt Lake Airport because I was dealing with a little bit of anxiety with this new parking place I did, which, by the way, the parking spot is great. If you need to park your car at the airport sometime, I highly recommend them. I had no issues. I literally got picked up seconds after I got my bag, so they were great. Anyways, I got a package from Liberty Mutual. They saw my Liberty Mutual commercial and sent me something, so I thought I'd open that for you. Well, they gave me this letter, and it says, "Hi Chris, we got such a kick out of your take on our commercials. Pickles was a great sidekick. Thank you for being such a huge fan of our commercials. Hope you enjoy these sunglasses and get that classic Limu Emu." They sent me, I like them.